Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be doing the loudspeaker comparison between the POCO X3 versus the Mi10i, which is also called as the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G variant. So both phones are having the same kind of dual speaker setup, and in this video, I'll be comparing both phones side by side. And in another video, I'll try to test the vibration intensity on the back side. So the POCO X3 is facing the problems of the vibrations on the back panel, and let's see friends whether they did fix the issue in the Redmi Note 9 Pro with the dual speaker setup or not in this mobile phone. I'll try to do that kind of comparison in another video where I'll be trying to place some kind of rise on the back side, and I'll try to test the volume. So try to subscribe to my channel and also stay tuned for more updates on this smartphone. And in case if you want to know more details about this Mi10i or the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G, try to check the playlist for more details about the wallpapers and everything. So let's get started friends. Let me try to quickly open the music application. So I'm using the default music application right now to test this kind of ear. And sometimes I do see this kind of ads in the inbuilt music player which I'm using. So right now let me first try playing the in the POCO X3 device. And one more thing is that I did not use any kind of tips and tricks to decrease the volume. So I did disable all those settings to decrease the volume, but right now I'm using with the full maximum volume in this POCO X3 device. So if you don't know what I am talking about, try to check the playlist for POCO X3. You can find the video how to decrease the volume. So I had to make the less vibrations on the backside. So now let me start playing the sound. So let me begin from the zero volume and start increasing the volume little by little. So now let me start playing the same music in the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G or Mi10i as well. So let me try to start playing the music starting from the zero volume. So as you can see friends, I feel like both phones they're having the same kind of loudspeaker output volume. So now let me start playing one by one in both the smartphones so we can differentiate the volume which is better. So let me start playing one by one so you know exactly which phone sounds better. So right now I'm using it full volume in both the phones as you can see here. So I'll try to turn on one by one phone. So as I said, friends, overall the sound output is also kind of close to each other in both the smartphones. So the only thing which is worried in me is that how is the vibrations are gonna be on the smart on this back panel of this phone. So right now when I'm holding the device in this kind of high volume, I did not feel much vibrations. But what I'll try to do, I'll try to compare both phones vibrations on the back panel by playing the same audio file in the high volume as well. Then we can compare which phone has the how much vibrations is going on, did they fix or not. So for more this kind of similar kind of comparisons like display performance, gaming and camera, haptic feedback, loudspeaker, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. In the upcoming videos I'll try to do so many comparisons between both of these variants, both of these models, which phone to buy and why as well. So make sure to subscribe and like this video, and also follow me regularly friends for regular updates on the smartphone as well. And see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.